What's up, Chainlink holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day. My friends, once again, AB Stake channel update you about a Chainlink. That is the latest and urgent update of the Chainlink. So keep watch this video till the end. But before starting this interesting video, this brand video, I request everyone, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, at this time the price of the Chainlink in the market is 23.01 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Chainlink in the market. And on the other side, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Chainlink, so as I told you, my friends, in my latest videos about the Chainlink, that the Chainlink price is completely going fast down. And now yesterday the whole cryptocurrencies market is going negative. The whole cryptocurrencies market price is going negative. So but now at this time, the last 1 hour, every cryptocurrencies is going positive, my friends. Now at this time the situation is going better. So first of all, I want to congratulate all Chainlink holders, because now this time the last 1 hour pricing is positive and the previous changes is going negative. The previous changes is very bad, my friends. What do you think about the Chainlink, and how do you feel today about the Chainlink, my friends? I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good, my friends. Why I'm feeling good? Because, my friends, you can see here that the Chainlink start pumping after a very bad falls. So that's clear that they will continue this jump for a long time, for 2 days, for 3 days, maybe for a 1 week they will continue this jump, my friends. So that is why I'm feeling very good about the Chainlink, my friends. And how do you feel? Tell me in the comment box. My prediction is also that they will continue this jump for 2 days, maybe for 1 week. But 2 days is confirmed that they will continue this pump. What do you think about the Chainlink? Please tell me in the comment box. And please don't forget to subscribe AB Stake channel for more news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.